In this video, I am going to show you how to create trivia on upshot.ai dashboard and how it looks on an end user's mobile app. After logging into the upshot.ai dashboard, go to the Gamify section and click on Trivia. Now, tap on Create. Give an appropriate name to the trivia module. You can check all responses mandatory to get answers to the responses. Checking the Enable Timer box to get a timer. Now give the required time for the timer and select the color for right and wrong answers. Give the trivia game's title, description, image and tap on Continue. Enter the trivia questions and options of choice. On the right, we have 4 question types. By default, the question type is the text-based question. Choose whether you want to give the user a single select or multiple select options. Determine the right answer and give points as you wish. We first upload the image. Ask a question based on the image and give the preferred options. Here we are choosing a multi-select option for the answer. In the multi-select option, we have a scoring mechanism under which you can choose if you want to give the points for the question or each option. Choose the correct answers and give points. In multi-select, we have scoring logic under which we have 4 validations. You can choose one among them. Here, we have chosen a scenario when the user selects at least one right answer. Now give the maximum number of option limit and option exhaust text. And tap on Finish. Choose how you want your leaderboard to appear. We have tabular form, bar graph, and pie chart. In the grading section, give maximum and minimum points for each grade. And click on Continue. You can enter the text that you want to appear on the user's screen after finishing the trivia. And click on Submit. Select on which screen you want to display the trivia game by choosing the preferred tags. You can also choose to allow skip or other options as per your preference. Tap on Create, and here you go. This is how users can experience the game on their app.